Namaste Gurukunians, how are you? I hope that you will be fit and fine and doing your study through online classes. So as you know that we are doing our class 6 from history section chapter 3rd in the earlier city, and the previous video class we have completed the part 1, and in part 1 what we have studied, we have studied about Harappa discovery. How did Harappa came the place that is the oldest one from the oldest sites. So it came to in the study of archaeologists. And second, we completed the area of expansion, the Indus Valley. So this the area, the earlier cities in the subcontinent also shown through the map. What is the expansion of this area? What are the main cities? What are the main places, sites of the Indus Valley civilization? This has been shown in this map. That is the earliest cities in the subcontinent. And we are doing this part in the part 2 video. So what are the cities? You know that this Harappa civilization, Harappa culture is known as the Indus Valley civilization, and this valleys flourished on the banks of Indus River. So that's why it is called Indus Valley civilization. So this is the main sites of the Indus Valley civilization, and these are the places like first is Sukaku, that is entry point of this civilization in the subcontinent. Then there is a Mohenjo-daro, that is in Sindh, which is in Pakistan. And next, this valley is expanded along the banks of the rivers like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi. So that is why this civilization has great importance of these places. Harappa, Rakhi Khadi, that is in Haryana, Kalibanga, that is in Rajasthan, Dholavira, that is in Gujarat, Chomodro, that is in Gujarat, and Rohtak, that is in Gujarat. So these are the main areas, main sites of the Indus Valley civilization. So we have also done this in the previous class. Now we come to the our second point, that is our main point of today's class, that is the what was special about these cities. That is our second point. The cities which we have discussed, these earlier cities, it means Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Kalibanga. So these are the main cities, the earlier cities. What was the specialty of these cities? Our second point is what was special about these cities? It means we are discussing about the point, that is the also our chapter's name is in the early city. What is the specialty of these earlier city? जो ये पुराने शहर थे, इनकी क्या स्पेशलिटी थी, क्या क्वालिटी थी, क्या खूबी थी? That is why we are studying today. So we are going to discuss this point. So first of all, cities divided into two parts. First point is cities divided to two parts. First point is that the cities are divided into two parts. जो शहर थे वो दो भागों में बटे हुए थे. The earlier cities means जो हमने अध्ययन किया है, मोहनजोदाड़ो, कालीबंगा, लोथल, धोलावीरा. These are the main sites. And what are the qualities of these cities? First quality is that first specialty of these cities is that these cities are divided two parts. शहर दो भागों में बटे हुए थे. So what is called? Now the second point, east part. East part. What was the quality of east part? East part larger and lower. Which is the east part? That was east part was larger and lower, and people lived there. People lived here. The दो पार्ट में डिवाइड हुए. जो ईस्ट पार्ट था जो शहर का वह लार्जर, बड़ा था, बट लोअर, लेकिन नीचे था. इट मीन्स दैट इज देयर इज सम ऑल्टरेशन, कोई ऊंचाई पे स्थान होगा. इट मीन्स जो ईस्ट पार्ट में जो पार्ट था शहर का, दैट वाज ए लार्जर एंड लोअर. एंड व्हाट वाज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दिस पार्ट? पीपल लिव हियर. यहाँ पर लोग रहते. Next, is there any east part? Then it is definitely there will be west part. What was the specialty of west part? West part was smaller. The west part was smaller, but and higher. जो वेस्ट पार्ट था शहर का, दैट वाज स्मॉलर. इन कंपैरिजन इट वाज लार्जर, द लोअर पार्ट, बट इट इज स्मॉलर. बट लाइक दिस हायर, लोअर, ये नीचे था, दैट इज ये ऊंचाई पर था, इट इज हायर. व्हाट वाज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ दिस प्लेस? दैट इज कॉल्ड citadel. That is the and it is called citadel. What was the name given that point? इसको citadel के नाम से जाना जाता है. It means जो ऊपर वेस्ट पार्ट था, स्मॉलर था, हायर था, और उसको नाम दिया गया था citadel का. And now the point is come, what is citadel? How can we recognize that it is a citadel? What is citadel? Citadel was a fortified structure. It means citadel. Citadel was a fortified structure. It was a fortified structure and designed to give protection. Designed to give protection. Designed to give protection for what time? For what purpose? During battle. During battle. Okay, and next is during battle, and it had a public building. It had a public building. Public building. Next is it had a public buildings, granaries, temples, and workshops. Okay, so second point is that east city is divided into two parts. East part was larger and lower. People lived here. यानी लोग जो रहते थे नीचे के पार्ट में रहते थे, जो लार्जर था और लोअर सेक्शन पे था, नीचे था. वेस्ट पार्ट वाज ए स्मॉलर एंड हायर. छोटा था लेकिन ऊंचाई पर था. एंड इट इज कॉल्ड अ सीटाडेल, उसको सीटाडेल के नाम से पुकारा। व्हाट इज सीटाडेल? इट वाज अ फोर्टिफाइड स्ट्रक्चर। ये किले नुमा यानी एक स्ट्रक्चर था, एक भवन था जिसको किले के आकार का बनाया हुआ था, डिजाइन टू गिव प्रोटेक्शन। जिसको क्यों ऐसा डिजाइन दिया गया था? टू गिव प्रोटेक्शन ड्यूरिंग बैटल। इट मींस व्हेन देयर इज अ बैटल, which means the lower side, the lower point where the people are lived, they want protection. For their protection they go to the citadel. अपनों को बचाने, अपने आप को सुरक्षित करने के लिए वो यहाँ पर जा सकते थे ड्यूरिंग द बैटल, लड़ाई के टाइम। वो लोअर साइड वाले पीपल जो लोअर साइड में, लोअर पार्ट में रहते थे सिटी के, वो सीटाडेल में जाकर अपने आप को प्रोटेक्टेड कर सकते थे। दैट इज व्हाई इट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड एंड देयर आर अनदर पर्पसेस दैट्स व्हाई दिस बिल्डिंग हैड बीन कंस्ट्रक्टेड। दूसरे कारण क्या थे जिसको बनाया गया? इट वाज अ पब्लिक बिल्डिंग। इट मींस ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ पब्लिक एक्टिविटीज, किसी प्रकार के काम जैसे सरकारी से जो रूरल से रिलेटेड होते थे, जो पब्लिक वर्क होते थे, कोई फंक्शन होता था, दैट वाज सेलिब्रेटेड इन दिस बिल्डिंग। Granaries, there was also a storehouse, अनाज के गोदाम थे, अनाज वगैरह रखा जाता था सेव करके। टेम्पल्स, कोई पूजा करनी है, वर्शिप करनी है, रिचुअल सेरेमनीज were held and there was worshiping place. Workshops, many types of craftsmanship, अनेक प्रकार के जो craftsmanship थी, these were also held in this part. So this is what all activities was done in the west part. And it was smaller and higher, and it was called citadel. Citadel was a fortified structure, and it was during the war it gave protection to the lower part people, and also had the functions, public buildings, granaries, temples, and workshops. So these were the main part of these cities. And another point are, the next point is this building, it means the citadel, that was built with baked bricks. It means baked bricks were made. Baked bricks were well made and laid down well made and laid out in interlocking pattern, laid out in interlocking pattern to give strength to wall. The bricks that were used in these buildings were baked. It means उनको अच्छी तरह से भट्ठे के अंदर तपाया जाता था, बेकिंग की जाती थी और अच्छी तरीके से वो बनाए जाते थे। It means जो ईंटें after the 5,000 years, these bricks were today, and when they are studied by the archaeologists, जब उनको archaeologists ने study किया तब भी वो ऐसे थे। It means they are well built. It means we are talking about bricks. The bricks were well made, अच्छी तरह से बनाई जाती थी, जो आज भी इसी कंडीशन में है। और उसको then they are used for the making walls with interlocking pattern. It means interlocking pattern means like this, the one that is short, then that is this, then that is this, then that is okay. And that is part with filled with cement or any kind of stickable material, so that it is static. So that is interlocking pattern. In this pattern the wall were made, so that's why it straightened the wall. So this building has been constructed like this. इस प्रकार से जो पैटर्न बना लेते हैं. So now we talking about the earlier cities, and we first take the first building of earlier city, that is the Mohenjo-daro Great Bath. We are going to talk about Mohenjo-daro Great Bath. Great Bath. So this is the main cities of Mohenjo-daro, that is in Pakistan, in Sindh. Okay, so this is the main sites, and we are talking about Mohenjo-daro's Great Bath. It was a very special tank. It was a special tank. It was very important tank, like a water, like a swimming pool, like a swimming pool. Okay, it was also, because today's language we can call it as swimming pool, and it was a very special tank. It was a very special tank. That is the Great Bath. It was a very special tank. एक बहुत ही विशेष प्रकार का तालाब था, टैंक था, like a swimming pool, today's language we can call it. And you know that lined with bricks, lined with bricks, पक्की ईंटों का बना हुआ था, lined with bricks and coated with plaster, coated with plaster, coated with plaster. Next, what was done? Coated with plaster, made watertight, made watertight with a layer of natural tar. Okay, with a layer of natural tar, and with a layer of natural tar, steps leading down to it, steps leading down to it, steps were leading down to it. Rooms were on all sides. Rooms were on all sides. Rooms were on all sides. Okay. So these are the points. We are talking about the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. That was also like a swimming pool. Today's language we can. So what was the point? It was a very special tank. ये special tank था. It means एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण तालाब. Lined with bricks. It means पक्की ईंटों का बना हुआ था. ईंटें लगी हुई थी, bricks. Coated with plaster. It means जो coatation थी, it means उसको plaster किया हुआ था. It means plaster से पूरी तरह से कवर था. made watertight with a layer of natural turf. It means जहां पर लीकेज की पॉइंट थे that was filled with a natural turf. Natural turf means it was a water repellent. The natural turf was water repellent. That was water repellent. जो नेचुरल टायर होता है उसके अंदर वाटर रेपेलेंट, इट मींस जो वाटर को पूरी तरह से वो स्टॉप कर देता है, मींस लीकेज नहीं होती. सो दैट वाज वेयर द लीकेज हैज, वेयर द पॉइंट देयर शुड बी, वेयर कैन बी लीकेज, दीज वर फिल्ड विद नेचुरल टायर. उसको नेचुरल टायर मींस जो डांबर होता है जिसको हम कार्बन कहते हैं वो भरा जाता है. स्टेप्स लीडिंग डाउन टू इट, नीचे जाने के लिए, टाइप पे जाने के लिए देयर वर स्टेप्स, सीढ़ियां होती थी. रूम्स वर ऑन ऑल साइड्स, दोनों साइड्स में क्या होते थे, रूम्स होते थे, कमरे होते थे. इट मींस आफ्टर बाथिंग दे कैन गो टू रूम फॉर देयर चेंजिंग क्लोथ्स. सो दिस वर द पॉइंट्स, these were the points that we are going that we are discussing to this point. And there is another, and for what function it was used, what function it was used, important people took a dip on ceremonial occasion, ceremonial occasion, and the water was brought from wells. The water was brought from wells and drained after use. And drained after use. Okay. And so important people, it means the important people of the city, not every people. It means that's why the word has been used here. Important people. Important people took a dip on ceremonial occasion. It means जब कोई ritual ceremonies होती थी, धार्मिक अनुष्ठान होता था, जो important people थे, VIPs थे उस शहर के, they take a dip on this special tank, that is the great bath of Mohenjo-daro, and the water that was brought from wells, जो कुओं से पानी लाया जाता था, that was drained in this water tank, in this great bath. And after the using, you know that in your around your area there are special tanks. It means like everywhere the Kurukshetra there is a Brahmasrovar, and after the using, after the ritual ceremonies or regional occasion, these was this is also drained after the use. And here also the water that was come from the wells after the ritual ceremony, it was drained. उसको बाहर निकाल दिया जाता था, उसको साफ किया जाता था. That is the point of this water tank. So we discussed about this great bath of Mohenjo-daro. And there are also main sites of earlier cities. It means there are also main earlier cities that are like Kalibangan, other cities like Kalibangan, that is in Rajasthan, Kalibangan, Lothal, Kalibanga and Lothal had and Lothal, that is in Gujarat, had fire altars, that is fire altars with sacrifices have been performed. Sorry, where sacrifices have been performed. Okay, where sacrifices have been performed. So other sites like other sites like Kalibanga, that is in Gujarat, also Rajasthan, and Lothal, that is in Gujarat, the archaeologists also find fire altars. Fire altar means where ritual ceremonies has been taken place. It means जो यज्ञ की वेदियां थी जिनमें यज्ञ होता है, that is the fire altars, वो मिली हुई है. That is also has been found by the archaeologists, and where they assume that there had been sacrifices have been performed. It means वहाँ पर क्या होता था, ये माना जाता है that is ritual ceremonies also took place and there has been sacrifices. It means बलियां दी जाती थी. बलियां मीन्स जैसे देवता को खुश करने के लिए या कुछ और रिचुअल सेरेमनीज को अपने परफॉर्मेंस देने के लिए, कंप्लीट करने के लिए जानवरों की या कई बार मनुष्य की बलि दी जाती है. दैट इज आल्सो दे अज्यूम दैट देयर हैव बीन sacrifices has also been performed in these cities. Okay, so this is the other points of our specialty of these cities. And the last one, that is also that is not your syllabus, and I also want to discuss with you that they after the using of the water of the tank, they use it in various purpose, like rainwater harvesting. They also do rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting with the help of drain, discharge or collect his water in a tank. Next, they construct extra dam. They constructed extra dam. They constructed extra dam to central place. Central place. Okay. So although this is not in your syllabus, but I am talking to, telling to you that they are also do the rainwater harvesting, which are all you familiar about this. What is rain harvesting? Rainwater harvesting, जब बारिश होती है तो पानी को बचा कर रख लिया जाता है. And in South India you can know that this is the compulsory for the each house that he has to make this house roof is like that where water can be collected. Okay, so rain harvesting करते थे वो जब पानी होता था ड्रेन की सहायता से, नालियों की सहायता से, किसी नाले की सहायता से दे डिस्चार्ज दिस वाटर इनटू द टैंक. इसी टैंक के अंदर इकट्ठा कर लेते थे. एंड देयर व्हेन देयर वाज स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर, जब पानी की कमी होती थी, दे यूज इट, उसको वो यूज कर लेते थे. नेक्स्ट, they constructed extra dams to central points. Central place. There is a central place. They constructed extra. You know that these cities are on the banks of 5 rivers like Jhelum, Ravi, Chenab, Beas, and Indus. So these are the 5 rivers, because these are this civilization has been flourished on the banks of these 5 rivers. So that's why there should be a situation of flood in the rainy season. So that's why the dams were constructed by these people, so that they can save them from the flood. So this is the specialty of these cities. Okay, so this is our part 2. In part 2, what we will discuss? We discussed about the expansion of the Indus Valley, and also discussed about the specialty of these cities. The cities are divided in 2 parts. The lower part is called lower part, that is a larger and lower, and the higher part, that is smaller, and that is called citadel. It was a fortified structure where the people could go off when they have need of any kind of protection, and it was also the building that we use for public affairs like temples, okay, storage of grains, and workshops. So next we talked about the Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. That was also has been discussed with you. What was the specialty of this? And at last, we have discussed about the rainwater harvesting system and the construction of dams. So this is our part 2, and in third part we will discuss about the houses, drains, and streets, and what kind of life in the city. That will be discussed in the part 3rd. So that's it enough for today. If you have any query, any doubt, you can send message in the WhatsApp group from